In this video, we're going to be using our platform to find similar results that our researchers did for our SDG 15 Life on Land report. So for this, let's just center our research around one of the three key subjects of the report: sustainable forest management solutions. Now you can start with this, but our platform is actually trained on NLP, or natural language processing, so this is your opportunity to be a little bit more creative with your inquiry. Let's say we want to find companies and startups with sustainable forest management solutions specializing in site-specific forest management. Next, we refine our search even more by adding some more industry content. So let's say sustainability and agriculture and farming. Going further, we can refine it by adding context by subsector. Now, once the search is done, it looks like we have around 46 results. For each result, we can see the match score. We can see our valuer score, which will show us the company's statistics like success, growth, maturity, innovation, etc. We can also filter all the overall results based on these parameters. Now, if we find something in this search we find promising, we can keep track of its movement by adding it to a radar. Next, you can view the company profile of any of the search results. Inside, we find an expanded view of the company with more company details that can be unlocked using credits that are provided with a paid membership. Submitting a research request will kickstart the process. Our in-house team of analysts and researchers will begin collecting and parsing the data that will enrich this company's profile. However, this is a manual process, so it takes a few days to do. So for the sake of this video, we're going to jump over to a profile that has already been enriched, so we can see the results. We now have access to the previously unlocked information. From there, we can add this to a radar if we haven't already, or we can share it with anyone in our network or team.